Okay, how to post sales tax payments, okay? I get a lot of calls regarding sales tax being off and things like that. So I'm gonna just jump right in and show you. So when I pull sales tax, and in this case, I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it for the full year because that's the only one that I have as a sample. So I'm gonna just do it as if we are getting to the end of the year. Actually, I probably should have done this for just Q4. Okay, in this example, we're going to pretend that this is 2023 Q4. And we're in January now, and we're going to go ahead and post this payment. You can see here, when I pull the sales tax report, it's $302.55 payable to Nevada. I'm going to do it to California in this case because we're just going off of the numbers, okay? So 302.55. Before I go to process that, I want to make sure that that's what the balance sheet has. Okay, so I'm just going to pull it up as of 12/31/2023. I don't want to look at the zeros, and I don't want to look at the subledgers. Okay, so now that pulls up with sales tax payable of 302.55. Okay, you see how this matches. Actually, I'm going to put this aside, and then I'm going to pull up the other one too. Okay, the sales tax report. And again, you wouldn't be doing it for a full year. I'm just doing that for the sake of training. Okay, so you can see here that 302.55 matches the balance sheet for 302.55. Okay, so now you need to make sure that that ties out, because that is going to determine how you're going to post this transaction for the sales tax. So I went right here to money out, accounting money out, and I have, a template already ready and prepped. Okay, so in through here, I'm going to unselect hold. I am going to backdate the payment to the date that I'm filing for. So in cases like, well, right now we're already mid-month. So like right now, it's on the 20th. So typically I'd be doing it for the month prior, right? So I would be going back right now. Today is May 20th. I would be filing for April. Okay. So I would be backdating this to 4/30/24. Okay. In this example, I'm doing 12/31/23 because we are pretending that we are doing the last quarter payment for sales tax, and we are pretending we're in January because that's when I normally would have filed this, okay? In this case, I want to go ahead and clear to sales tax payable the 302.55. If there is a discount, I am going to code it to the discounts, and I'm going to adjust the $2.55 that they gave me for filing on time. Okay, whatever that is in your state, okay? That's what you would do. And California doesn't have one, by the way. So I'm just showing you for the sake, okay? So that's how I would do it. And then I'm going to go ahead and post this right now so you can see what happens. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and post this payment. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull the balance sheet again. We're going to use the same date range for last year. And the reason why I'm pulling this is because I want you to see, that. See now this, there is no sales tax payable. It would be right here under the liabilities. There is no sales tax payable, and if we were to pull up a general ledger report for that, okay, and I will just do it for December 2023. I wanted you to see, and this will probably pull up any corrections I made for this training video. So let me just pull it up real quick. So you can see here that it started with 302.55, and then here's the payment that we posted, and it does zero out. Okay. If there's any questions, leave them in the comments, like, post, and subscribe, or let me know. Thanks.